guys, check it out. Today we're in the bathroom and I want to show you guys this pretty awesome instant water heater. So this is a great alternative to your standard tank water heater. This is going to be an electric on-demand system. So you can see it is a electric unit, so you'll need at least a 10 gauge wire setup and a 30 amp dedicated breaker for this unit. And I will get that hooked up here. I'm gonna have an electrician come in, run me some electric because I've decided to put it right here under the sink. So we're gonna do that, get that all hooked up, and then I'll show you guys the display on it. Super easy and simple to install. Your cold water there, it's gonna be your hot going out to your faucet. And then it does have the ability to mount this to the wall in a couple different locations. So pretty easy way to figure out exactly how you wanna mount this. That does slide in there. There's a notch in here on the side to help keep that tight to the wall, and overall just pretty cool. I'm gonna get this, like I said, hooked up here and show you guys what that looks like. It does come with all of the necessary mounting hardware as well as a thorough detailed instruction manual. So overall, pretty excited to get this thing installed here in the bathroom, and yeah, so check it out. So I have the electric run here now, so we can go ahead and finish the install on the water heater. So I'm going to tie this in to the box here on the underside here, and I'm going to go ahead and mount it here. So I've gone ahead and put my anchor into that wall, and it is a simple installation here, and it will lock down onto your anchor. I do have another screw that I'm going to put into the bottom here. I'm going to run this up under here and into the box, and then tie that in to the electric right there. And then lastly, we just have to hook up all of our lines here. So this is going to be your cold inlet side here. This is going to be your hot outlet over on that side there. So we're going to route that like that. I'm going to get this electric hooked up here. Alright guys, so I finally got this thing all hooked up and ready to go. Couple cool things about it. You can simply turn it on here and you can see that we are in Fahrenheit. You can actually change it over to Celsius if you want. If you also invert this and have this mounted the other direction, you can actually flip the numbers and stuff like that upside down. So it's pretty awesome. The owner's manual is very useful for giving you all that information as far as how to operate it. I have gone ahead and I have opened up the faucet to make sure I get all the air out of it, which is very important for this. And it's a simple on-off button, so you can see right there it goes off. Click it back on. We are on. It's going to heat up to 127 degrees. You can adjust it however you see fit, and it is a simply turn it on, and you can watch your temp raise as your water heats up. So we're already starting to get nice warm water out of here. And you can see that it's super quiet. Can't even hear it operating, which is really great. And obviously I have warm water already running through the unit. So overall it's pretty awesome little machine to have heat up my water, especially in the winter when you want some nice hot water to get your hands washed. So definitely check one of these out. Thanks for watching.